I told you to stop, and you kept going.
Because I stopped.
Yeah. No, you didn't.
Yeah. What are you doing, man?
Because I'm putting you in handcuffs.
What the fuck?
Do not fight me. Do not fight me right now.
Wait, we're in the right. Okay. What are you doing, man?
Do not fight me. Stop resisting me right now. Do you understand me?
I'm not doing anything. What are you doing, man?
Putting you under arrest.
What? So what are you doing?
Step off the bike,
man.
Step off the bike.
Officer, what's the problem? What did he do?
What are you
told
doing,
y'all to
man?
stop. You didn't stop.
Mira, me arrestaron.
And then I told you to stop your bikes, and you didn't stop.
We didn't hear you.
Me arrestaron por no parar.
He's just a kid.
Yeah, he's a minor.
Told him to stop, and he didn't stop.
He's a minor.
Fantastic. He's gonna be out 1050 bicycle times 2. Gonna be out at Florida Avenue by Stone Street. And I
my bike.
Right
what are you doing?
Taking you to jail. Yeah, I'm about 14 right now. I'm 10-4 though.
To be honest, it's extremely hard to hear you guys.
Yeah, we didn't hear you.
What's that?
We promise, we just didn't hear you.
I told y'all to stop, and I'm riding behind you with license sirens, and y'all ain't stopping.
You can't hear what
You can take the bike. You can have the bike.
Yeah, hear my song.
Okay. I told him to pull over, and he didn't stop. That's a felony right there. So, y'all can go over there.
To be honest, we all thought you were pulling that car over.
Yeah,
this is a June guy.
This is a what?
A June guy.
yeah, we're just
He's a
minors.
young guy. He's a minor.
Okay.
Yeah.
First time
He didn't even hear you.
I told you to stop, and you kept on
Yeah, but
going.
if he doesn't hear you,
I have license sirens on.
right, but if he doesn't hear you, the wind's in our ears. We can barely hear anything, especially with all this stuff on.
Yes,
You know,
once we did hear you, we did pull over.
Today's not the time for roadside jury, okay?
What was that?
Today's not the day for roadside jury. Y'all can move on.
Well, he's a minor. That's his son.
Yeah.
That's his
Then you
son.
can stay here. The rest of y'all could go. You have any weapons on you? Do you have your ID on you, anything?
Why I have a weapon, man? What the
I can
fuck?
stay here, right?
I'm asking you a question.
Safety purpose, I'll cover the road.
Pero si este cabrón me afecta por una mierda.
No hablen malo, chicos. Llama a mí. You can move up the road and wait.
I'm not leaving my son.
I didn't say you had to leave your son. So you move up there.
Yeah, you can stay here. That's
Come on,
fine.
Chris.